What's up? Rage Maglalang here. I'm with Sweet today. Nandito kami sa Burjuman para manood ng Combo on the Run, yung documentary ng Eraserheads. Tapos at the same time, merong promo ang Vox Cinema na 30 dirhams popcorn, tapos you can bring your own tub. Kahit gaano pa kalaki yung tub, pupunuin nila ng popcorn for just 30 dirhams. Tingnan mo yung lalagyan namin sa likod. Ayan, di ba? So tingnan natin kung pupunin nga nila yan. Let's go!
Shoot video, go! Alin, kaya nitang maka-side.
Dala kang plastic ng yelo, bibenta natin din sa loob.
A few moments later.
Ayan nga guys, so tapos na yung movie and umuwi na kami. Ayan ba yung natira sa popcorn namin? Ayan, di ba? Siguro mga 2% lang yung nakain namin dun sa popcorn. Yun ang dami.
And we enjoyed it.
Oo, nag-enjoy talaga kami sa pelikula.
It's worth it. It's worth it.
Very, very worth it. Mamaya, bibigay ko yung parang feedback ko doon sa docu. Okay?
And if in case papalabas pa siya ulit, itry nyo. It's really very worth it.
Okay. Yan. So, yun nga.
Especially yung mga fans ng Eraserheads.
Very, very worth it. Marami kang matututunan tungkol sa life lessons about friendship, sa healing, and how yung mga bagay talaga merong two sides to every story. Sabi nga doon sa isang kanta nila, there's always a B-side to every story. So, yun.
And what we always see is just surface. Better to watch it to see the deeper version.
Kailangan marinig mo you have to see the story from all angles. You have to see the bigger picture. Ganun. So, yun ang namin. Yun yung feedback namin.
Siguro dahil fans din kami ng Eraserheads until now.
Yeah, so the best. We really enjoyed that. May ang daming moments na napayak talaga kami. So, yeah, watch it. This is not sponsored, by the way. This is not sponsored. This is just our honest opinion. And
if in case mapanood nyo din, so comment lang kayo. And then sabihin nyo, napayak din ba kayo?
Napayak din ba kayo dun sa film? Which one was your favorite part of the film? About you, Sweet, which one was your favorite?
To be honest, yung nagsalita si Ventura, yung ex-wife niya, si Dayan, yung ex-wife ni Ellie. Yes, after namatay yung biyanan niya, yung ex-biyanan niya.
Yun. Ako din yun.
Oo, ganun pala si Ellie. Paano ko lang napaka-selfless.
Nagkaroon ng parang perspective tayo kung gaano yung character ng bawat member ng EHEADS.
Yes.
Dun sa So yeah, watch it. And ito yung popcorn namin. So i-share namin sa mga kasama namin sa bahay. Hopefully in 1 week maubos namin to.
So feeling ko mga 3 days ubos na yan.
Pumupurga kami so lahat ng mga kapitbahay namin malamang bigyan din namin siguro nitong popcorn. Grabe, ang dami
Tara
2% lang ang naubos namin dyan.
Tara na para ma-share na natin.
Okay, sige. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. And that's
Click the notification.
Yeah. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Bye.
Okay, mani popcorn.
Kaya, ayun. Kahit magdala ako, ma'am.